Dozens of foreigners have been reported killed, missing or taken hostage following the surprise attack on Israel by Hamas fighters over the weekend. More than 900 people have been killed in Israel and over 700 killed in retaliatory attacks on Gaza by Israeli forces so far. According to reports, many of the foreigners killed and missing were attending the electronic musical festival in the southern Israeli desert on Saturday when the Hamas attack began. Let's have a look in detail at the foreign and dual national casualties as well as those still missing or taken hostage. According to a BBC report on Wednesday, which cited an official source, 17 British nationals, including children, are dead or missing in Israel after attacks by Palestinian militant group Hamas. Thailand's foreign ministry said that it received reports that 3 more of its nationals had been taken hostage in the ongoing violence in Gaza, bringing the total abducted to 14. It said that 20 of its citizens were killed and 13 injured in the conflict. On Monday, Argentina's foreign minister said that 7 Argentinians were killed during the attacks in Israel and 15 more remain missing. The minister said that approximately 625 Argentinian nationals in Israel have also requested repatriation. In a statement on Tuesday, Austria's foreign ministry said that 3 Austrian-Israeli dual citizens could be among those abducted. Brazil's foreign ministry said that 3 dual Brazilian-Israeli nationals were missing after attending the music festival. Cambodia's prime minister said that 1 Cambodian student was killed in Israel. The Canadian government confirmed that 1 Canadian had died and 3 others were missing. On Monday, the Chilean foreign ministry confirmed that 2 of its nationals were missing. The Colombian government confirmed that 2 Colombians who were at the Supernova festival are missing and efforts are being made to locate them. 2 French people were killed in the attack. The French government said that a 12-year-old is among 14 of its nationals who remain missing. A German foreign ministry source said that several dual German-Israeli nationals were taken hostage. An Irish-Israeli woman was confirmed missing by the Irish government. Italian foreign minister said that 2 Israeli Italians were missing. Mexico's foreign minister said that 2 Mexicans, a man and a woman, had been taken hostage without giving further details. The Nepalese embassy in Tel Aviv said that 10 Nepalese citizens were killed. The embassy said that 4 other Nepalese nationals were being treated in hospital while a search was underway for a 5th. Panama's government said that 1 of its nationals was missing. Paraguay's government said that 2 Paraguayan nationals who had been living in Israel are missing. The Peruvian foreign ministry said that 2 of its nationals were missing without offering details. The Philippine Ministry of Foreign Affairs said that 7 Philippine nationals are missing and cannot be contacted by phone or on their social media accounts. On Monday, the Russian embassy in Tel Aviv said that at least 1 Russian was killed and 4 are missing. Tanzania's ambassador to Israel said that 2 Tanzanian nationals were missing. Thailand updated the number of its nationals killed from 12 to 18 on Tuesday, with 9 wounded and 11 taken captive. Ukraine's foreign ministry spokesperson said that 2 Ukrainian women who had been living in Israel for years were killed. The US has confirmed the deaths of at least 11 US citizens and said that it was likely that their nationals were among the hostages being held by Hamas.